Hi, do you mind if I ask you a question? Hey, do you mind if I ask you a question? Mind if I ask you a question? Do you mind if I ask you a question? Have you received a letter inviting you to participate in the cervical cancer screening program?
Yes, but I think I threw that out. I'm really busy. I've got, 3 kids to take care of. I've got elderly parents. I don't really have time to get screened.
Cervical cancer is preventable. Women simply need to book an appointment with their doctor, take time out from their busy schedules, and get screened regularly.
Do you have any issues or concerns in regards to scheduling a pap test?
Actually, I have no concerns. I have pap tests pretty regularly. I do have some friends who are a little bit nervous. They're a little bit bigger and they're nervous about getting on the really tiny table.
Most doctors' offices have exam tables that can accommodate women of all sizes and shapes, so we wouldn't want that to be a reason for her to put off the exam.
I heard they changed it to every 3 years once you're sexually active, but I got the HPV shots in high school.
As a physician, I strongly encourage my patients that are eligible to get vaccinated against HPV. It is important, but does not exclude them from having to get screened for cervical cancer.
Why do you think women of your culture don't get screened for cervical cancer?
Well, I can't speak for all women, but for example, I have a family physician, a male family physician, and I don't feel comfortable having him do those types of exams.
Most offices have a female physician or nurse practitioner that is available for the screening test.
Do you know if you're up to date with your cervical cancer screenings by any chance?
Actually, I don't really recall, but I don't think I need to worry about that any longer.
Women need to get screened for cervical cancer starting at the age of 21 and every 3 years afterwards until the age of 70. The risk for cervical cancer does not decline with age, and unless they've had a complete hysterectomy, they will be part of the screening program. A pap test is a life-saving exam. Women need to take control and get screened.